Hi, welcome back to AD's little shed shop, my little shed shop. So today we're going to try, and it is a try, we're going to try and fix my son's ex-rocker office chair. I'm sure it's an office chair. I'll put a picture of it up. I don't know, here, somewhere. I'll try and put a picture up. So what happened was, I got notified last week before I think it was, that he had apparently broke it. Not necessarily broke it, but it had broken in a very unusual way. The gas cylinder had managed to go right the way through the base. This is kit, by the way. K-I-T-T, yes, just like Knight Rider Industries 2000. That's what I named the cat after. Yeah, sorry. I'm a bit of a geek. Is that a geek or is it a nerd? Either or, doesn't really matter. She's an idiot and she's part of the family. Yeah, what was I saying? So, the boy got a new chair. Yes, he did get a new chair, didn't he? So his new chair is fantastic. Oh my God, it's got LEDs all over it. It's got 8 massage points in it, I have to say. I'm quite jealous. Do I want it? Yes, I do. Why? Because the chair that I'm sat in, stay still as we spin round, is this horrible plastic thing. And it's horrible. It's plastic. There is no cushion in it. It is painful to sit on. I don't sit on it very long. Even though, you know, for half of my videos I'm probably sat on it. But the fact is, it's edited, isn't it? Exactly. Anyway, this ex-rocker chair is quite comfy. I sat in it when we first got it for him. Luckily we got it for free. Someone was giving it away. I think they're mad. You don't give away something that's worth that. Yes, I know, that's worth that much. But, you know, they upgraded, got themselves a nice new one. They get themselves a nice new one, and they want to give something away. One man's rubbish is another man's treasure. That's as the old saying goes. Is that the way the old saying goes?
Yeah, one man's trash is another man's treasure.
There you go. One man's trash is another man's treasure. Well, I'm English and it's rubbish. One man's rubbish is another man's... I have no idea what can go with it. So it's treasure. It's one man's treasure. So, yeah, we are going to try and fix it. We're going to try and get it apart. Yeah, so the gas cylinder has actually gone much further through than the five wheels of the base. So the lowest point of it is the gas cylinder. So it teeter-totters on the gas cylinder, which obviously is not great. That's that. We're going to crack on with it and hopefully we are going to be able to fix it. And I do hope so, because it will become the new Shedshop chair. It's rather large, but who cares? It's comfortable, and I want to be comfortable when I'm sat down talking to you. Let's see what happens. This could be interesting. We could get hurt, or we could just break it, and then it'll be a pointless video, and obviously I won't show it. Well, this is the boy's chair. It was. It's got a nice new one now, and it's a little bit broken. I think we can fix it. See, what's happened is the gas cylinder has gone through this base. It's got a whacking great crack in it here where it's gone through. I don't know if you can see that, but hey, I can. Whacking great crack, look at that. And this has been bashed on the floor a lot, so crack there. We've got to work out how to get this out. I think we're going to have to pop this on something hard and stand either side on these, or get some spreaders on it to push it back. I'm not sure. And then how to fix it, still not sure. Might not work, might do. Right, ready? I'm going to hold this, you hold that, see what you can do.
Put the table on it.
I was going to stick my fingers there, that would have been a mistake. I think it's moved. Yeah. Imagine it's me and really hit it. Alright, get the lump hammer. Then imagine it's me and really hit it. Oh Christ, you really imagine it's me now, ain't you? Ah, bugger. Right, that didn't work. Okay. Yeah, it's cracked on this side too. that didn't work. Stick a brick under this, stand either side.
Maybe.
Oh, there's a hell of a lot of weight on it then. Drawing board. Good idea. Take off the base. Oh, that didn't help, did it? Alright, what about the top? Anything in, absolutely nothing in there that can help. Don't put your hands in, that's what it just says. Right,
Just take some thinking.
yeah. I mean, yes, I could quite easily cut through this plastic, right where these bleeding splits are. The weird thing is it doesn't split all the way through. Well, how's he managed that to get that all the way through without splitting the rest of this? Don't get it.
Thinking time.
Yeah. Right, you up?
Yeah.
Ready? I got a lot more weight than you, so hold on. Ready? And
There you go.
did that just go?
Yeah.
There! We're getting somewhere! Wood! Little by little. Oh, that didn't sound good. Ready? There it goes. Yes! Next up. Well done. It was a good idea. Yeah. Okay, so look, that's just the shroud. Yeah, you can't take it off like that. I think what we need to do is work out either one, how to repair this. Because you can see, I think that's a metal ring in. Jeepers, there's a metal ring in there. Okay.
Yeah, I can see it. I can see where the split
See
is.
this split?
Yeah.
And there's a metal ring. And that metal ring, this is not meant to go past. It's meant to go in there. It's not even meant to go down that far. Oh crumbs,
Don't
look
wedge
at
it
that.
back in.
So, with that, that was hard work. With that going in past that, obviously it stretched that metal ring. Difference is it's going to be in here with my bum on it. I like the idea of this comfy chair in here. Wheels. JB Weld. High strength 5020 PSI. What's that? 5020 PSI. My 5020 pounds per square inch. How's that going to help me? Metal, wood, plastic, tile, PVC, ceramic, fiberglass, concrete and more, suitable for household repairs, automotive, plumbing, marine, crafts and more. Works on multiple surfaces, are strongest epoxy and easy to use. Set time 4 to 6 hours, cure time 15 to 24 hours. Cure colour, who gives a monkeys, but it's dark grey. Or we have half the amount in size, half the amount in pressure that it's rated to. This one is JB Weld's Quick Weld. I feel like I'm doing an advert. Our fastest cold weld, sets in 6 minutes, works on multiple surfaces. Cure strength is 2424 PSI. I mean, honestly, how can you say that? I mean, what's that strength against? Itself? Metal? Someone pulling it apart? You've just squirted some out, waiting for it to dry and go on, we'll just pull that. I don't know. Or you tried squashing it? What's the strength? It's the strength for compression. Use your words. You're on this video too.
Expanding.
Expansion.
I'm trying to tell you.
It's not expansion. Expansion
Expanding.
is. It's not expanding. No. Compression. Squishing something. It's when you're ripping something apart. Ah, what's that called? I don't know. Anyway, sets in 6 minutes. Cures in 4 to 6 hours. Cure. Colour. No one cares. Dark grey. Quick setting steel reinforced epoxy. Great for automotive, industrial, plumbing, household repairs, marine, crafts and more. What does this come under? Crafts? this come under crafts or does this come under Are You Mad? I think it comes under Are You Mad? And household repairs. I'll tell you what, because it's going to have a lot of weight on it, let's not go for the quick weld. Let's go JB weld, right? It's one of the most proven ones. Right, I need something to mix this up in now. What is it, a 50-50 formula? I don't even know. 1 to 1, yes it is. Bosh it 50, bosh it 50. I'm going to have a nice chair to sit my backside in the Shedshop. Yep, I know. Idiot. Yeah, it's time to mix, huh? Oh, that's weird. And hummy. Whoo! That do hum. God, it's just like a cake, isn't it? Icing on a cake. And hope that it's going to work. Now, if I do this so it only sits in the one direction towards the front, because oh, that turns. It's not going to make a damn bit of difference, is it? No, good point. Okay. Oh, that feels good. Oh, check that out. That stuff's quite something. Okay, it's been a couple of days since we what did we do? Since we epoxied the chair. And let's see if we fix it, shall we? We left it a couple of days, so it's not exactly been warm. So let's have a look. You get the first looks. And well, that looks like that's dried. Let's have a look. Well, it's definitely not wet. By the way, this is the new light that's on here, and not that shonky light that I built that was absolutely terrible. Let me just pop it in place. Alright. Let's get a closer look, shall we? Now, I think it looks like it's definitely not moving any more left and right, that's for sure. I mean, yeah, so we left it a couple of extra days purely because the temperature out here has been, well, cold. Not cold, colder. Much colder. It's surprisingly quite cold. The one thing I have left to do is put it back together. Zup, 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 zup. And see if it will hold me. Hold me. Okay, right, shall we give this a flip? And then, fingers crossed, touch wood. There's plenty of it around. That's not even wood. Touch wood.
Got it.
Ready. Okay, now here's the test. You, my dear, are lighter than me. Therefore, I suppose you must sit in it first. Because I have no idea if it's going to hold.
Thanks. So if it goes wrong,
if it goes bang, are you kidding me? It's worked! Comfy chair for the Shedshop. For me! Oh yes!
I'm sure.
So excuse me? Am I sure? Ah, oh, come on, you've nicked me other shed. Now you've nicked me comfy bum seat. I don't think so. Let's see if it holds my weight. That'll be the test. Obviously I weigh a lot. Let's just say a considerable amount more than my glamorous sister. I wonder if the that's loose. Okay, it's got a lever. There. Oh! Well, that went a bit far. I'll tell you what, that's quite comfy. I don't like the fact that these don't.
Up and down.
Like guns.
It's
Looks like it's got its own handbrake there. Okay, so why didn't I steal this off him years ago? Before he managed to break it. That's brilliant. Excellent. Well, I suppose that concludes the video, right? We had a blast trying to fix this. I can't believe it's worked. I honestly can't believe it's worked. We'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching AJ's Little Shed Shop. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notifications button.